We all grow older. Aging happens to all of us. Unfortunately, aging comes with health problems. In the Netherlands alone, millions of people suffer daily from brain diseases, heart diseases, low back pain and joint pain. This is not only a human problem, it happens to all our furry companion animals too. Can we cure all these age-related diseases with only one solution? This might sound like science fiction, but what if it's possible?
When a molecular scientist and a veterinarian cross paths, bold ideas can become reality.
Hey! What do you think about renewing the machinery of the cells?
Oh, that sounds like a great idea. Let's work together and turn it into a therapy for our patients.
The machinery of the cells are called the ribosomes. They produce proteins, the building blocks of cells that support growth and repair. In healthy cells, these building factories can make healthy proteins. But when we get older, also the building factories become older and start to malfunction. This results in defective proteins that can lead to diseases.
In this project, we want to transplant healthy ribosomes into disease cells. Here I have the healthy ribosomes and I'm going to prepare them for the next steps.
Thank you. We will first test them in a simulation in the lab that can predict the outcome in our patients. When the treatment meets the required criteria in the lab, we can take it to the clinic to treat both our veterinary patients and our human patients.
We dare to imagine
A future in which we can turn back the clock of biological decline and all age with dignity.